function, 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 liver, 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 metabolism, 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 reddish, 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 organ, 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 largest, 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 located, 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 below, below, below. Welcome into another beautiful day and a new video. Today is actually the 15th day. Yeah, and I'm excited because it hasn't been easy, yeah, but we are actually doing it. Okay, a journey of 1,000 miles always starts with a step. We have 16 days left. Okay, if you see me for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel. This is what we do here. It's all about English language. We learn how to speak right, how to read right, and how to write right. Okay, so if this sounds like what you're interested in, why not join the family by subscribing, and don't forget to turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without wasting our time, let's go right into the video. Diaphragm, 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 above, 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 stomach, 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 disgust, 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 regulation, 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 sugar, 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 levels, 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 dear, 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 temporal, 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 glycogen, 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 production, 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 storage, 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 acids, 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 harmful, 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 amino, 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 urea, 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 detoxification, 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 blood, 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 substances, 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 adults, 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 diminution, 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 fetus, 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 produces, 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 cells, cells, formation, 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 capsules, 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 minerals, 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 copper, copper, copper. Vitamins, 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 vitamins. Broken, broken, broken. Reuse, reuse, reuse. Chemical, chemical, chemical. Potassium, potassium, potassium. Generation, generation, generation. Distributed, distributed, distributed. Maintain, maintain, maintain. Temperature, temperature, temperature. Proteins, proteins, proteins. Fibrinogen, fibrinogen, fibrinogen. Other, other, other. Manufactures, manufactures, manufactures. So here are the 2, 3, and 4 letter words we are likely going to say on today's comprehension, and they are as follows: of, in, is, it, as, by, to. Of, in, is, it, as, by, to. 3 letters: d, end, out, red, are, fat. Again, d, end, out, red, are, fat. Now to 4 letters we have: help, such, some, also, hit, down, bill, iron, from, like, zinc, over, when. Again, help, such, some, also, hit, down, bill, iron, from, like, zinc, over, when. So from the words we just pronounced, we are able to compile this comprehension. So let's read together. Functions of the liver in body metabolism. Functions of the liver in body metabolism. So let's read. The liver is a reddish brown organ. It is the largest organ in the body and is located below the diaphragm. The liver is a reddish brown organ. It is the largest organ in the body and is located below the diaphragm. The liver carries out many functions as follows. 1. Regulations of blood sugar levels. Regulations of blood sugar levels. 2. Temporal storage of glycogen. Temporal storage of glycogen. 3. Production of bile. Production of bile. Number 4. Detoxification of harmful substance.
detoxification of harmful substances, delineation of amino acids, formation of urea. The liver completes the breakdown of worn out red blood cells in adults and produce red blood cells in the fetus. Storage of vitamins, fat metabolism, generation of heat by chemical process in the liver, storage of vitamins, fat metabolism, generation of heat by chemical process in the liver. Number 12, liver manufactures some blood proteins such as fibrinogen. Livers manufactures some blood proteins such as fibrinogen.
Okay, so far so good. This is where you're going to be drawing the curtain for today, and I don't know if actually you got something out of today's lesson, but I believe so. All right, so don't forget to stay safe. See you soon on my next video.